Hello student, how are you? I hope you are fine and enjoying your online classes. In this video, we will discuss from paragraph 25 and onward. Okay? In the last class, I have taught you that the rumors of collapsing of the bank spread throughout the city. Okay? And the customers of the bank gathered at the steps of the bank and they all wanted their money immediately. Okay, they cried for their money and they blamed that Seth Govindas had run away and the banking going to be collapse. Is that clear? So let's continue from paragraph 25. Okay, I'm going to read. By afternoon, the bank had gone through all its ready money, and the harassed bank manager was helpless. Now, see here, in the first two lines of the paragraph, the author tells us that the cash money, we have used here some word like ready money. What the meaning of ready money? Ready money means the cash money that the bank has to make transaction between the customers. Okay, so see here the narrator tells us that the cash money that the bank had, okay, it was spent, it was over by the time of afternoon. Okay, the bank was completely out of money by the time of afternoon. And the harassed, what the meaning of harassed? Trouble, anxious, tired. Is that clear? The harassed, it means to say the trouble bank manager of the bank was helpless. He could not manage money to give the customers of the bank. Is that clear? That is why he was very surprised what is going on. He could not understand anything. Okay? He was unable to gather, he was unable to collect a lots of money. It what? It the immediately. Okay? Now see further. Emergency funds could only be obtained from one of the government banks, and now it was nearly closing time. The author tells us that the bank could take emergency fund from a government bank, but it was the closing time of the bank. That is why he could not take loan from the government bank also. Okay, now see further. The clerk shut down their counters, as I have told you that it was the time of closing the bank. Okay, that is why the clerks of the bank, they shut down their counters, but people gathered outside on the steps of the bank shouting, we want our money, give it today, us today, or we shall break in. Okay, when the clerks of the bank closed the shutter, okay, outside of the bank, the customers gathering and they were noising, they were shouting that they wanted their money at once and immediately without any delay. Is it clear? They want the bank. If they they want the bank, if the bank does not give their money, they will break into the bank and they will disturb, they will damage the bank. Is it clear? They also said, they also say that Seth Govindram, okay, is hiding somewhere in the city. Is it clear? Now see paragraph 26. Mischievous makers who did not have a paisa in the bank joined the crowd. As we know that, okay, the persons who were gathering at the bank, they were demanding their money, but some of the mischievous person, some notorious person of the village who did not have a single money, a single paisa in the bank, they also joined the crowd for the fun, for the enjoy. Is that clear? The manager stood at the door and tried to calm his anger customer. Here, the author tells us the manager of the bank came out of the bank. He stood at the door and he tried to calm his angry customers. Okay, he tried to give them consolation. Now, see further. He declared that the bank had plenty of money, that they could withdraw all they wanted the next morning. The manager of the bank told the customers of the bank that the bank had plenty of money and they could withdraw their money, okay, next morning or tomorrow. Is that clear? The bank manager assure the bank manager assures the customer that they need not worry. Bank had plenty of money in the storeroom and they can take their money tomorrow. Is that clear? Now see paragraph 27. We want it now, chanted the people, now, now. But the customer of the bank, they were sting. Okay? They were sting. They wanted their money at once and immediately. Is that clear? Now see paragraph 28. A few stones were thrown and the manager retreated indoors, closing the iron grill gate. The crowd, okay, the angry crowd got out of control and some of them throw the stones, okay, some of the angry customers throw the stones, okay, at the gate of the bank. And due to this violence, the manager of the bank moved into the bank and they closed the iron green gate. Is that clear? They closed the gate that was made of iron. Now see further. A brick hurtled through the air and smashed into the plate glass window which advertised the bank's assets. Now see here, the author tells us that some of the customers throw a brick. What the meaning of hurtle? Flew at great speed. Okay, some of the angry customers threw a brick in a great speed and it smashed into the plate glass window which advertised the bank's assets. Is that clear? Now see paragraph 29. Then the police arrived. Then the police arrived. They climbed the steps of the bank and pushed the crowd back until the people began falling over each other. Okay, gradually everyone dispersed, shouting that they would be back in the morning. After that, the police arrived at the spot at the bank and they climbed the steps of the bank and they pushed the crowd back until the people began falling over each other. Okay, the line is very clear. The police came and they moved to the steps of the bank and just they throw the crowd, okay, from the bank. Okay, they dispersed, okay, the bank customer. Now see further. Gradually, everyone dispersed, shouting that they would be back in the morning. After that, the customers of the bank who were gathering outside of the bank, one by one, they moved from there and they were shouting that tomorrow they will come back and they will withdraw their money. Okay? Now see paragraph 30. Nathu arrived next morning to sweep the steps of the bank. He saw the refuse and the broken glass and the stones cluttering the steps. Now see here. Next morning, Nathu, I have told you already who was Nathu. Nathu is the sweeper. Okay. Nathu arrived, okay, to the bank next morning. Okay. When he arrived at the bank, he found what he found. What the meaning of refuse? Refuse means waste material that has been thrown away here and there, broken glass and the stones and other material left behind after the protest. Okay, when Nathu arrived at the bank next morning, he found the waste material that had been that has been thrown, okay, thrown here and there. Is that clear? Now see further, and the broken glass. He also found the broken glass and the stones that were thrown in the bank, okay, cluttering the steps. Now see further, raising his hands in horror, he cried, "Gundas, hooligans!" Okay, when Nathu found this waste material like broken glass and stones at the steps of the bank, okay, he got surprised. He took his hand on his hand. He took his hands on his head and said, "Oh my God!" Okay. Now see further. What the meaning of gundas means? Violent criminals or villains. You know very well gunda word. Okay. Okay. So he was very shocked, he was very surprised. Okay, now see further, may they suffer from 1,000 ills. It was bad enough being paid irregularly now, and I must suffer an increase of work. Okay, after that, may they suffer from 1,000 ill. When Nathu found all the waste material like broken glass and stones here and there in the steps of the bank, okay, at the steps of the bank, he cursed those gundas, okay, he cursed those gundas that they got a lots of suffer. Is that clear? After that, okay, after that, Nathu said that it will increase his work. Okay, Nathu said that it will increase his work. Now see further. He smacked the steps with his broom, scattering the refuse. After that, he smacked the steps with his broom. It means to say he cleaned the steps of the bank with his broom, scattering the refuse and all the waste material that were scattering here and there. He gathered all those scattering materials. Is it clear? Now see further paragraph 31st. Good morning, Nathu, said Sitaram, the washerman's son. I have told you about Sitaram already in the beginning of the chapter. So, after that, Sitaram was passing through the bank and he found Nathu there sweeping the bank. Nathu, okay, Sitaram wished Nathu good morning. Now see further, getting down from his bicycle, when Sitaram was getting down his bicycle, he wished Nathu good morning. Now see further, are you ready to take up a new job from the first of the next month? After that, Sitaram asked Nathu whether he is ready to take up a new job from the first of the next month. Okay. Now see further. You will have to, I suppose, now that the bank is closing. Okay. Here, Sitaram told Nathu that Nathu will be very surprised knowing that the bank is going to close. Is that clear? Now see paragraph 32. What did you say? Said Nathu. Okay, here when Nathu heard from Sitaram that the bank is going to collapse, the bank is going to close, he got surprised and he asked, "What are you saying?" Okay, now see further paragraph 33. Haven't you heard? The bank's gone bankrupt. You had better hang around until the other arrives. Okay, and then start demanding your money too. Now see further. When Nathu surprisingly asked Sitaram what he is saying, then Sitaram replied that she has not heard that the bank okay has gone bankrupt. Okay, and he also advised him it would be better, okay, it would be better that he took his money from the bank. Is that clear? Now see further. You will be lucky if you get it. Okay, he advised that if you take your money, okay, you will be very lucky. Okay, he waved cheerfully and pedaled away on his bicycle. After that, he bade goodbye happily and he pedaled away on his bicycle. It means to say he sat on his bicycle and he moved from his bicycle. Now see paragraph 34. Nathu went back to sweeping the steps, muttering to himself. When he had finished, he sat down on the bottom, set to wait. Sorry, he sat down on the bottom step to wait for the manager. He was determined to get his pay. After that, when Sitaram left Nathu, okay, Nathu went back to the sweeping the steps of the bank, muttering. What the meaning of muttering? Speaking in a low sound. He was murmuring to himself. Okay, when he had finished, he sat down on the bottom step to wait for the manager. Here, the author tells us when Nathu completed his work, he sat down on the bottom of the steps and he was waiting for the bank manager. And he determined himself that today he will take his payment from the bank. Okay, now see the last paragraph. Who would have thought the bank would collapse, he said to himself. Here, the author tells us that Nathu talked himself. Okay, Nathu talked himself and he asked himself, who would have thought that the bank would be collapsed. Is that clear? Now see further and looked thoughtfully across the street. I wondered how it could have happened. And Nathu was completely shocked. He was completely surprised how it happened, how the bank got bankrupt, how the bank is going to collapse. Okay, he was completely shocked. Okay, so we can say that here a false rumor, okay, a false news can destroy every precious moment of our life. Okay, so we should not believe, okay, we should not believe blindly any rumors, any false news. Okay, it can fill our life bitterly and it can destroy our life. So be careful and be happy. Okay, so enjoy the chapter. Okay, see you in the next class.